Hey everyone, welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today we are baking something warm, cheesy and full of flavor. Garlic cheese dinner roll, or you can call it garlic cheese buns. They are soft, buttery and filled with cheese and garlic goodness. Perfect for snacking, parties or just a cozy dinner. So let's get started and fill your kitchen with some delicious smell. For the dough, I'm starting with 1 cup of warm milk in a bowl. To that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dry instant yeast and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Whisk it well until everything is nicely mixed. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/3 cup of melted butter. Next, go in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour and mix everything well using a spatula. Now sprinkle some flour on a clean surface and place the dough on it. Start kneading the dough with your hands using the palm to stretch and push it forward. Keep kneading like this until the dough becomes soft and smooth. Now my dough looks nice and ready. Let's grease a bowl with some melted butter. Place the dough in and cover it. Let it rest for about an hour to rise. Moving on to our garlicky butter mixture, I'm taking 6 garlic cloves, crushing and adding them to a small bowl. Now add 3 heaped tablespoons of softened butter to a bowl and about 1 tablespoon of oregano. Mix everything really well until it's nice and combined, and just like that, our garlicky buttery mixture is ready. For cheese filling, I'm using 200 grams packet of mozzarella and cheddar mixed diced cheese and 200 grams mozzarella block, but I'll be using only half of each, which comes around 100 grams each. Of course, if you're a cheese lover or you want your buns to be extra cheesy, feel free to add more. I'm cutting the mozzarella blocks into small pieces so they fit nicely inside the buns without tearing them while stuffing. Time to check on our dough. Look at that, it has risen beautifully. Let's quickly give it a final gentle knead before rolling into the buns. Now dust some flour on the surface and place the dough on it. Cut the dough into 4 equal parts and then divide each part into smaller pieces depending on your bun size. I have cut mine into 9 pieces in total, but you can adjust based on how big or small you want your buns. Take a dough ball and gently press it with your hand to flatten it slightly. We do not want to use a rolling pin here, just our hands to keep it soft and airy. Now add a scoop of garlicky butter we prepared earlier and spread it nicely on the dough. Place the mozzarella in the center, then gently stretch the dough a little so you can add 2 small spoons of diced cheese on the top. Now carefully seal the buns, pinching the edges together, and gently shape it into a round ball using your hands. Be gentle, too much pressure can tear the dough and the filling might spill out. Now our first bun is ready. Let's quickly grease the baking tray with a little bit of softened butter. Once done, place the bun carefully on the tray. Now repeat the same process for the remaining dough balls. Fill, seal and shape them into buns and place them on the greased tray. This tray could fit only 8 buns, and I don't want to overcrowd them as they will rise while baking. Cover the tray and let the buns rest for about 20 minutes before we pop them into the oven. I'm mixing 1 egg with a tablespoon of milk and whisking it well. If you prefer not to use egg, you can simply brush milk instead as an alternative. Now gently brush egg wash over the buns for a beautiful golden color and shiny finish after baking. Alright, our buns are nicely coated with the egg wash. Now it's time to pop them into the preheated oven at 200 degrees and bake them for about 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, take out the buns. They should be slightly golden by now. Now brush them with the garlic butter mixture we made earlier for the extra flavor. Sprinkle some more cheese on the top if you want them extra cheesy. Pop them back into the oven for another 5 minutes to get that perfect golden brown finish. After 5 minutes, take the buns out of the oven and for the final touch, brush them generously with the leftover garlic butter for that beautiful gloss and shine. Just look at these buns, perfectly golden brown, soft and oozing with the cheesy garlic goodness. They smell absolutely amazing and the top have that rich buttery finish. Serve them warm with your favorite dips or enjoy them just as they are. They're soft and fluffy on the inside, slightly crisp on the outside and packed with bold garlic cheese flavor. Trust me, this garlic cheese dinner roll or buns are a total crowd pleaser. Thanks for watching. I hope you give this garlic cheese dinner roll a try. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more delicious recipes from Gags Kitchen. See you in next one.